Addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. To add or subtract fractions with different denominators, we need to do some extra steps. The general approach is discussed below. We will go over a few examples in this video to make sure you get comfortable with the procedure. Let us consider this example: 2 by 15 plus 3 by 5, which are unlike fractions. To find the addition of these unlike fractions, we need to find LCM. What is LCM? The least common multiple is called LCM of two numbers is the smallest number, which is not 0. That is a multiple of both the numbers. Now in the boxes below, let us write the multiples of 5 and multiples of 15. Multiples of 5 is 5, 10 and 15. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30 and 45. Now let us look for a common multiples in both 5 and 15. So the common multiples are, we have one common multiple, that is 15, which is least common multiple. Here in 2 by 15, as the denominator is already 15, which is the least common multiple of 5 by 15, 5 and 15, we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. 3 by 5. In this, denominator should be made as 15. So we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by number 3. After multiplying 2 by 15 by 1, we get 2 by 15 plus 9 by 15. Now we have converted these two fractions into like fractions. Now our process is to add as like fractions, that is only adding numerator and keeping denominator as it is. Let us see how we can do it. So it is 2 plus 9, the whole divided by 15. So we get 11 by 15. This cannot be further. Let's look for an example for subtraction. 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3. They are of different denominators, so it's an unlike fraction. So let us list out all the multiples of few multiples of 5 and 3 and find out the common multiples of both the numbers. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now let us find multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now let us look for the common multiples of both 5 and 3. So the common multiples of 5 and 3 is 15. Here to make 5 as 15, as our LCM is 15, to make 5 as 15, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. We get 5 into 3 is 15 and 4 3s are 12. And to make 3 as 15, we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 5. After multiplying, we get 12 by 15 minus 10 by 15. Now we will do normal subtraction as we do for like fraction. So it's going to be 12 minus 10, the whole divided by 15. On subtracting, we get 2 by 15. Remember, while adding or subtracting unlike fractions, first we need to find LCM of denominator and make it into common denominator and follow the procedure of operations of like fraction.